The Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad's approach to segregation was fundamentally different from that of mainstream civil rights leaders. While the broader movement fought for integration and equal rights within American society, the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad advocated for a form of voluntary separation. He believed that true empowerment for African Americans could only be achieved through establishing their own institutions, businesses, and communities, free from white supremacy and racial prejudice. In stark contrast to the nonviolent civil disobedience championed by figures like Martin Luther King Jr., the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad upheld the right to self-defense against racial violence, teaching his followers to go in peace and to never be the aggressor, but to fight with those who fight with you. The Nation of Islam under the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad often found itself at odds with the mainstream civil rights movement, primarily due to differing views on integration, nonviolence, and the best path forward for African American liberation. While there were criticisms and tensions between the NOI and civil rights leaders, there were also periods of dialogue and mutual respect. The shared goal of improving the condition of African Americans in the United States sometimes led to collaborations, despite philosophical differences. The Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad's teachings have profoundly impacted millions, shaping the discourse on racial justice and empowerment. Among the notable figures influenced by his work, 3 stand out for their global recognition and the significant impact they've had on various communities. Malcolm X, one of the most iconic figures associated with the Nation of Islam, served as a national spokesperson and was once a close confidant of the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad. His charismatic leadership and eloquent speech captivated audiences, bringing widespread attention to the NOI's principles. Muhammad Ali, the legendary boxer once known as Cassius Clay, embraced Islam under Elijah Muhammad's guidance. His conversion and affiliation with the NOI turned him into an emblem of black pride and resistance against oppression. Muhammad Ali leveraged his fame to challenge racial injustice and oppose the Vietnam War, resonating with people globally and advocating for change beyond the sports world. The Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan emerged as a significant figure within the NOI during Elijah Muhammad's tenure and later took the helm to rejuvenate the organization after a period of decline. His leadership restored the NOI's prominence, emphasizing self-reliance, economic independence, and racial dignity. The Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan's influence extends across communities in America and abroad, continuing the legacy of activism and empowerment initiated by the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad. Together, these leaders' works, inspired by the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad's vision, have touched the lives of many, contributing to a broader understanding and appreciation of the struggles and aspirations of Black communities worldwide. Their contributions underscore the far-reaching impact of the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad's teachings on individual lives and collective movements for justice and equality.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.